So continue to the previous video session, that is masonry bonding. In that we have discussed about masonry bonding nothing but in that we have discussed about the alternative materials to normal bricks and stones, the use of alternative masonry units such as concrete, hollow concrete blocks, laterite or SMB. So here the next one is the rat trap bond. The rat trap bond, which is popularized by Laurie Baker in Kerala in 70s. This new concept was introduced in 70s in Kerala by Laurie Baker. So this involves keeping the bricks on edge, so creating a gap in the thickness of the wall. So the rat trap, nothing but in the thickness of the wall, you can the bricks are placed at the edge and the in between place is left free, that is a gap is creating in between the bricks. So by using this technology, I'll show you here. See here, at edge the bricks will be placed and the gap will be created in between. Here also you can see at all the four sides the bricks are placed and the in between of that the gap or cavity is created. So this is the rat trap bond. So by adopting this technology, you can reduce the use of the bricks up to 25%. About 25% of the bricks can be saved by using this process. So many practitioners hold the view that the rat trap bonding does not lead to loss of strength, and one can build such walls of 22.5 cm thickness up to 4 stories. Means that by adopting this technology there is no loss in strength, that is strength of walls, and also you can build the wall of about 22.5 cm thickness up to 4 stories. You can construct up to 4 stories. But at present, when the bricks are 3.5 Newton per mm square are used, when the bricks of strength of 3.5 MPa are used, so such walls can be constructed only up to 1 story, only for single stories. Okay, only for single stories you can go for the construction. Well, when you are using bricks of 3.5 Newton square mm square, when the strength is more than 3.5 MPa, then you can go for that is multiple story construction. Here you can see the figure of the rat trap bond. Here, see, this is the laying of bricks. As you can see, this is the bricks placed at the edge and in between the gap is created. Okay, here you can see the elevation and laying also. Right, this is rat trap bond. So next is composite masonry. Till now we have discussed about the masonry bonding, in which we are switching for different alternative materials for the normal conventional stone and bricks. That may be a concrete blocks, hollow concrete blocks, laterite blocks, SMB blocks or rat trap bond. Okay, so now we will go through the a complete different masonry, complete alternative masonry, which is alternative to normal wall construction, which is alternative to normal wall construction. See, it is sometimes useful to build a wall of two different materials. Sometimes you can you can build a wall by using two different materials, and that can be useful also. The composite is nothing but using the two different materials, like it may be a stone come brick, or brick stone come SMB blocks, or burnt brick come unburnt brick. You can use the different materials, two different materials based on the requirements or the suitabilities. Okay, so that is what call it as composite masonry, using the two different materials or masonry units is called as composite masonry, and that material selected may be as stone come brick, stone come SMB, burnt brick come unburnt brick, and so on. So this can lead using a very durable material on the external face and a material of a moderate durability in interior face. That is that you all know that the exterior face of the wall needs more strength than the interior. Why? Because the exterior face will affected by the sun rays, rainwater, wind, dust. Okay, so in case of large construction, so you can reduce the cost by using the strong durable material on external face and the moderate durable material on interior face. Okay, so very often such methods are useful in cost reduction and also reduction in wall thickness. So the figures shows you a typical composite bond which is of combining stone and brick in building a composite wall of 29 centimeter thickness. This is the 29 centimeter thickness. It is composing of stone and brick masonry. So composite stone and brick masonry. So here one more important thing is that the two layers of different materials need to be bonded by periodic use of through stones. Two layers of different materials need to be bonded by periodic use of through stones. You can observe here, these are these two through stones. The hatching material here, hatched material is the through stones. Through stones are nothing but the stone that has its longest dimension perpendicular to the face of the wall. The stone that has its longest dimension to the face of the wall, especially one that can extend through the wall's entire thickness. So that is the thing but through stones. The dimension, the longer dimension is at the face of the wall. Okay, so the strength of such walls may be assessed on the basis of the strength of the stronger material and also thickness of thicker layer, ignoring the strength of the weaker material. That is the thing. But if you want to measure the strength of this wall, that wall is depend on the strength of the stronger material. Okay, you can judge the strength of the wall based on the strength of the stronger material. Okay, ignoring the strength of weaker material, right? So this is about composite masonry. In next masonry we'll see the cavity wall and the rammed earth. Okay.